Starting an LLC in California might feel complicated at first, but if you take it step by step, it's actually very doable. In this video, I'll walk you through the process so you can start your business with confidence. The first thing you'll need is a name for your LLC. California requires the name to be unique and not too similar to an existing business. You can check availability on the California Secretary of State's website. Don't forget, your name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company at the end. Once you've got your name, the next step is filing Articles of Organization, also known as Form LC-1. This is the official document that legally creates your LLC in California. You can file it online or by mail, and the filing fee is $70. After that, California requires every LLC to file a Statement of Information within 90 days of formation. This form includes basic details about your business, like who manages it and where it's located. It's also smart to create an operating agreement. While the state doesn't collect it, California law actually requires LLCs to have one, even if you're a single-member business. Next, apply for an EIN from the IRS. This number is essential for taxes, banking, and hiring employees. Finally, keep in mind that California has an annual franchise tax fee of $800, so you'll want to budget for that each year. And that's it. If this walkthrough made starting an LLC in California clearer, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more practical business guides.